Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your own quiz on BuzzFeed. Select your profile here, make sure you've logged in, create new post. Then you're going to select quiz and you're going to select which one you want to make. For instance, you want to make a trivia one. Like for instance, this one here. The question is like, what is Taylor Swift's first album? Like that, and then you can add like Taylor Swift, and then like here, speak now. Then reputation, maybe folklore for like examples. Then here's the correct answers. Sorry. And then you can reveal it here, and then there's the results here that you can kind of edit. For instance, like, wow, you made it into the top 30%, blah, blah, blah. And like, oh no, you're not a Taylor Swift fan. And then you can also see the preview here. So if you selected Taylor Swift, you got it right. And you're going to like write like something at the end for the results here. So here is results 1 of 2. You can also add questions here as well. If you want to add more, you can also change the setting, the background color of each and every one. I think I might like make one for funds later. Okay, speed now should be purple, but you can also add in an image here. You can upload your own, but it's better to search for images. But that's how you can create a quiz on BuzzFeed. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!